Hello students, welcome to Sanitizer Online classes. Students, we are working from home. Now we look at the question number 9 of exercise 11 miscellaneous. So question says, we have two given line and we have to find shortest distance between them. Find the shortest distance between them. Okay, so now, beta, we have already done such questions already. So now, here compare with the standard equation of line. So beta, for line 1, the value of a1 vector would be, that would be 6i cap plus 2j cap plus 2k cap. And the value of b1 vector would be, and b1 vector would be I cap minus 2j cap plus 2k cap. Okay, and a2 vector for line 2, that would be minus 4i cap minus k cap, and b2 vector would be, that would be 3i cap minus 2j cap minus 2k cap. Okay, now we all know that the formula for the shortest distance is b1 vector cross b2 vector dot a2 vector minus a1 vector upon magnitude of b1 vector cross b2. So we have to find the value of b1 cross b2 and a2 minus a1, then we are good to go. So first of all, I am finding out a2 minus a1. So a2 vector minus a1 vector. So that would be minus 4i minus 6i. So minus 10i cap. There is no g over here, so that would be minus 2j cap. Minus k minus 2k minus 3k. Now we have to find b1 vector cross b2 vector. So that will be I, j, k, 1 minus 2, 2, 3 minus 2, minus 2. So now solve it. I am solving directly. So for I, that would be 4 plus 4, 8i. Then minus j, that would be minus 2 and minus 6, minus plus 8j. Then for k, that would be minus 2 and plus 6, it means what? Plus 4k. So this is the v1 cross v2 vector. Okay. Now we have to find its magnitude. So v1 vector cross v2 vector, its magnitude as, that would be 64 plus 64 plus 16. So that would be equals to 864, 2, 8 and 144. So that is 144. And that is a 12. Okay. Now we have all the values, just put into the formula. So hence D would be equals to magnitude of V1 cross V2, 8i plus 8j plus 4k, and then we have dot a2 minus a1, a2 minus a1, that is minus 10i minus 2j minus 3k upon magnitude of this, that is 12. Okay. So now D equals to, let us simply do the dot product. So minus 80 minus 16 and that is minus 12. Okay, upon 12. So that would be 8 to minus 108 upon 12. And because this is distance, it cannot be negative, so it is 1 upon 8 upon 12, so that is 9. So distance is 9 units. So shortest distance between these two given lines is of 9 units. I hope it's clear. So please pause the video and note it down. Now look at the question number 10. So question number 10 says, it says that find the coordinates of the point where the line through, we have a line L, through the point 5, 1, 6 and through the point 3, 4, 1. We have to find the coordinate of the point where this line crosses the YZ plane. At what point this line crosses the YZ plane? This is our YZ plane. Okay. So now, first of all, we have to find the equation of line. So we all know that the equation of line L would be equation of line L. I hope you all remember the line through 2 points, that was x minus x1 upon x2 minus x1, y minus y1 upon y2 minus y1, z minus z1 upon z2 minus z1. Now put all the values. So x minus 5 upon 3 minus 5 minus 2, y minus 1, 4 minus 1, 3, z minus 6, 1 minus 6 minus 5. This is the equation of line. Suppose this is equals to lambda. Okay, so now here x would be x minus 5 upon minus 2 equals to lambda, y minus 1 upon 3 equals to lambda, and z minus 6 upon minus 5 equals to lambda. So from here x would be minus 2 lambda plus 5, y would be 3 lambda plus 1, z equals to minus 5 lambda plus 6. Okay, so we have let that at this point P, x comma y comma z, at point P, let at point P line cuts the yz plane. Okay, so point P will lie on plane, and beta for yz plane, beta the value of x coordinate would be 0, because on yz plane there would be no x coordinate, so x would be 0. So we will take the help of this. So now we will put the value of x over here. So beta value of x would be x is 0 equals to minus 2 lambda plus 5. So from here 2 lambda equals to 5, lambda equals to 5 by 2. So once I got the lambda's value, I can find the coordinate of y and z. So beta y would be equals to 3 into 5 upon 2 plus 1 equals to 15 upon 2 plus 1, it's 17 upon 2. And beta z would be equals to minus 5 into 5 upon 2 plus 6 minus 25 upon 2 plus 6, and that would be minus 13 upon 2. So coordinates of point, but what will be the point? That would be x is 0, y is 17 by 2, z is minus 13 by 2. This is the point. 0, 17 by 2, minus 13 by 2. At this point, this given line L will cross the yz plane. Okay, I hope it's clear. So please pause the video and note it down. Now look at the question number 12. Question number 12 says, find the coordinate of the point where the line through these 2 points crosses the plane. So this is line passing through these 2 points, and it has to cross the plane, that is 2x plus y plus z equals to 7. So the first of all, the equation of line through 2 points would be, so equation of line, but that would be x minus 3 upon 2 minus 3 minus 1, y minus minus 4 plus 4 upon minus 3 plus 4 1 equals to z plus 5 upon 1 plus 5 6, say equals to lambda. So but from here x would be, I am doing directly, minus lambda plus 3, the y would be lambda minus 4, and z would be 6 lambda minus 5. Okay. So now we will say let line crosses the given point, the given plane at point P. Hence point P will lie on the plane. Okay, and beta these points are the general point of line. So at every place of line, the coordinates of line would be of like that. So at point P also coordinates of line would be like that. For different lambda, I can get different points. So this is general point. So this general point will satisfy the equation of plane. So hence general point of line will satisfy the equation of plane. So we will put the value of x, y and z into the equation of plane. So now just put it. Then 2x, so 2 into minus lambda, 2 into minus lambda plus 3 plus y lambda minus 4 plus z 6 lambda minus 5 equals to 7. Solve it. Minus 2 lambda plus 6 plus lambda minus 4 plus 6 lambda minus 5 equals to 7. So from here, minus 2 lambda plus lambda minus lambda plus 6 lambda 5 lambda. Okay, 6 minus 4 plus 2 minus 5 minus 3 equals to 10. So 5 2s are 10. So lambda equals to 2. So now the coordinates would be coordinates of point P. Beta x would be equals to minus lambda plus 3. Minus lambda plus 3. It means what? Minus 2 plus 3. So that would be 1. X equals to 1. First point. Y would be lambda minus 4. So 2 minus 4 minus 2. Y equals to minus 2. Second point. And then z would be equals to 6 lambda minus 5. So 6 into 2 12 minus 5 7. So z equals to 7. So coordinates of point are 1 minus 2 comma 7. This is the point at which the given line will cross the given plane, hence solve. Okay, I hope it's clear to you. Please pause the video and note it down.